Good morning, students. In module 16, I will solve exercise 13.3, question number 5 beta. Question number 5 is, what length of the tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that extra length of the material that will be required for stitching margin and wastage in the cutting approximate 20 centimeter. Use pi equal to 3.14. So you see very attentively what length. You suppose that length of the cloth tarpaulin Bx and width is 3 meter is given, and you have to make a conical tent of radius 6 meter and height 8 meter. So first of all, you will suppose length of the cloth be x and breadth you know very well 3, and see very attentively because we want to make a conical tent from this rectangular cloth. So area, curved surface area of this conical tent will be equal to area of the rectangular cloth. Clear? So first of all, because in curved surface area of the cone you will need L. So first of all you will find L because radius and height is given. So L is equal to you know very well L square is equal to h square plus r square. L is equal to root h square plus r square. H is 80 square, radius is 6 square, 64 plus 36 100, or root 100 is 10. So area of rectangular cloth equal to curved surface area of cone, and area of rectangle L into B, curved surface area of cone pi r L. L you know very well, length x, breadth 3, pi 3.14, radius 6, L 10, and this 3 go in divide and 3 to the 6 and multiply together, you will get 62.8 meter, and it is given that extra length required for margin is 20 centimeter because x is given is length is given in meter, so you will change into meter, that is 0.2 meter divided by 100, and total length of the cloth required equal to 62.8 plus 0.2 equal to 63 meter. Clear? Now question number 6 beta. The slant height and the diameter of the conical tomb 25 meter and 14 meter. Slant height 25, diameter 14, so radius equal to 7 meter. Find the cost of the whitewashing its curved surface area. So curved surface area of cone pi RL and pi 22.7 R 7 L 25, and you will get 550 meter square, and cost of whitewashing of 1 square 100 square meter equal to 210. Cost of whitewashing of 100 meter square equal to 210, 1 meter square equal to 210 upon 100, and cost of whitewashing of this one bit 550 meter square multiply by 550, 0 cancel by 0, 0 cancel by 0, and 21 into 55 equal to 1155 rupees. Clear? So first of all you will find curved surface area, and then you will apply unitary method because it is given that here 100 square centimeter value cost है 210 है 1 का और 550 का तो निकालना. Now question number 8. Question number 7 you can do very easily. Question number 8 bete. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made a recycled cardboard. Each cone has a diameter 40 centimeter. Diameter 40 centimeter, radius will be 20 centimeter, and the height is 1 meter. H is equal to 1 meter. So you will convert centimeter into meter, divide by 100. So 0.2 meter. And then if the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting rupees 12 meter square, what will be the cost of painting of all cones? Use pi 3.14 and root 1.04 equal to 1.02. So first of all, because you will paint the outer curved surface area of the cone, so you will find curved surface area cone pi RL. For this you will find L. You know very well L is equal to h square plus r square, h1 और r बेटे 0.2 square, 1.2 square 0.04 add together 1.04 root and square root of 1.04 is given 1.02 meter. So curved surface area pi r L pi 3.14 r 0.2 beta or L 1.02 multiply together, you will get 0.64056 meter square. So curved surface area of 50 cones multiply by 50, you will get 32.028 meter square. So cost of painting of 1 meter square, it is given 12, and cost of 32.028 meter square equal to multiply by 12 and 12 into 32.028 equal to 384.34 rupees approximate. It is approximate. So thank you students. Okay.